time to push the button. Please welcome your host, Ant and Dec.
Push the Button, the show where two families play big daft games to win a massive cash prize.
Thousands of families applied, hundreds auditioned, and tonight, two of them are ready to become the stars of the show.
And they really are the stars of the show, you know. They've brought an army of stylists with them, they've demanded water at room temperature, and they've even had us kicked out of our dressing rooms and turned them into a VIP area with a velvet rope outside.
It's shocking. I'm having a word. I'm not getting changed in the toilets again. He saw everything.
And there's not a lot to see.
There's not.
But back on Monday morning, neither of our families had a clue they'd even made it onto the show until we turned up unannounced on their doorstep.
This week, we went to Rotherham and Newcastle. Here's what happened.
Set the dog off. Good morning!
Morning!
Hello.
Here, Cardi is coming in.
Well, I invited.
Hello? Hey, Mum.
What?
Hey, guess who's standing in my kitchen?
Who?
Dec, we're on it all!
Come here, you.
Hello?
Hello, Lisa, it's your sister, Sarah.
I know that.
I've got Aunt and Dec in my kitchen with me, Mum.
Stop swearing. You can't say that. It's a family show. I'm a little bit scared. Was it? Oh. Well done. Get in, Michael. Don't be shy.
To win the show would be like an absolute dream come true.
If I won the money, I would upgrade my caravan.
Next up, we're in Rotherham to surprise Gillian from the Moss family.
She's in the gym. We're going to sneak in the back door. Come on.
We've come up with a cunning way to make sure she doesn't see us when we go in.
We're all doing it now. You just give you a little bit so the class will get quick. A little bit quicker. Quicker. Harder. Quicker. Excellent. Well done. Rotate. And take a power backwards.
Congratulations. Your team have made it to the show this week.
So we better ring the team and tell them the news. Let's start with the person who's furthest away. Who is that?
Richard. My
Richard.
brother, yeah.
Your brother Richard.
I've got his number.
Who's back in the house?
My brother. Gary and my mum.
All right, should we go back and
Yeah?
give them a little bit of a shock?
Yeah.
Go on then. Let's get changed. Do you need a hand or we'll let you get changed on your own? That's it.
The dog spotted us. The glamour of it all.
Hello. Hello, Pat.
How are you?
We know who you are. My God. So who's missing?
Dale.
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 Your brother-in-law.
Should we give him a ring and tell him the good news?
and Decker here. You've made it. You want to push the button?
Oh, dear, very good.
So we spoke to Rich. Dale's got here. Everybody knows. That's it then. The team know.
See you on the telly.
We've spoke about so many things what we'd love to do if we won some money.
I'd like to put it towards or buy a conservatory. Extra room, lovely sun trap. It'd be brilliant.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the Carters and the Mosses. Welcome to the show, guys. Ready, Carters?
Yeah! Are you ready, Mosses?
Yeah! Are you ready, everyone?
Yeah! OK, then, first things first, we're going to give you both £100,000. There you go. But, and it's a very big but, neither of you are going to finish the show on that amount of money. You see, you're going to go up against each other in 4 games that are all specially designed to take money off that total. After you've played those 4 games, the family with the most money will get the chance to win the lot when they challenge Dave at the end of the show.
OK, then, let's get started with game number 1. Our families don't know who'll be playing the first game, so I can now reveal that first up for the Carters is... Lisa!
And playing first for the Mosses tonight is... Gary! So, Lisa and Gary, come up here and join us for the first family face-off. Come on!
Welcome to the show. How was Monday for the Carters, then?
Magic.
Was it magic?
Dream day.
Oh,
Absolutely,
really?
Really, yeah.
What, with us turning up?
Oh, definitely.
Really?
Yeah.
Now, you're feeling pumped and ready for tonight, are you, Lisa?
Of course.
Are you feeling lucky?
Well, I always carry a special little charm.
A lucky charm?
A lucky charm.
Where have you got it? In your bra?
Just warming up. Yeah.
I don't believe you. Well, I might have to have an inspection. Yeah. 3 lucky charms right there. Yeah. Well, Lisa, the very best of luck to you and the Carters tonight. Hope you enjoy it.
Gary.
Yeah.
You're a very tall fella, aren't you?
I'll squat if you want.
That's all right. Don't make me feel any worse, will you? It's just greedy, isn't it, though? I mean, share it around a bit. How was Monday for the Mosses?
The biggest shock I've ever had, well, until you lift this wall up, the biggest shock.
Now, you've got no idea what's in store for you tonight. Are you worried about getting embarrassed or making a fool of yourself in any way?
No, well...
What's the most embarrassing thing that's ever happened to you?
I've had my bum waxed.
What kind of families are we letting on this show?
It was after a night out and we went back to some girl's house. They had a waxing kit, amateur wax, it weren't professional. I don't know why my mates said, Gary's got a hairy bum. One thing led to another, and it went completely wrong. We could not get the wax off. Literally. Completely stuck together. It got that.
I mean, completely stuck together.
Not just a little bit, I mean like that.
It got that bad. I had to go to work, and my mum ended up phoning up NHS helpline.
Yeah.
And they advised baby oil and talcum powder, so I kind of walked around work with a